Introducing something sexy for men, DM shots. So let's see some of the pictures and also details from the seller that I bought from Shopee. Okay, yeah, this is black, and then you see this. It's actually like sexy shots. If you look into it, it's not for swimming. So the one that I bought is this blue color, and L, which is 33.85 ringgit, and this is some of the review, and then if you can see with the details. You have the details here? It's supposed to be. Wait, oh no, where's the deal? Specs. Yeah, okay. This one. Sorry. Yeah, brand DM specs. Okay. Reasonable, fashionable. Guarantee 15 days cash. Yep. Okay, so if you're interested, I'll leave the link below the video. Okay, bye. Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Dor Network with me, DiorShaari. This is actually my second purchase. First purchase was the black color, but this one I bought another one which is a blue color. It's actually a shots from DM. Yeah, and it's actually like a sexy shots. Right, let's do the unboxing. Yeah. The only like this packaging, and then this is the material. Well, it's very nice. It looks well, actually DM this here, DM spot, DM. It's very kind of like a nice wear for the for sexy wear, kind of for men. Okay, this is the tagging. Yeah, the end. So just want to let you know, inside the picture, they don't put here this one. Actually, there's a U-convex here to slide on your dick inside. So it's like that. So here in front and the back, and it's very nice. Just simple like this. So yeah, if you like to purchase, I'm gonna leave the link below the video. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.